Listen carefully. Success is not lost. It is never found. It is built. They tell you, visualize success, see the life you want, and it will come to you. But that is the trap. Stop. Breathe. Close your eyes. Now picture it. Your dream life. Financial freedom. The perfect career. The ultimate success. Feels incredible, does it not? That is the problem. Science proves it. Daydreaming about success tricks your brain into feeling like you have already won. And when your mind believes you have arrived, you stop moving forward. So shift your focus. Do not see the victory. See the grind. Feel the late nights, the exhaustion, the setbacks. Picture yourself pushing forward when everything tells you to quit. Because success is not won in a single moment. It is earned through every small decision, every sacrifice, every time you choose discipline over comfort. Visualize the struggle, not the finish line. Because when failure comes, and it will, you will not break. You will be ready. Success is not built on dreams alone. It is built on discipline, resilience, action. Winners do not just hope. Winners execute. So stop imagining the outcome. Start imagining the work. Because success does not belong to the most talented. It belongs to the most obsessed. Stay hungry. Stay relentless. Make it happen. If you subscribe, Rebel Quotes. Congrats, you're growing every day.